Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about Prudential Financial Inc. Annual Report. Prudential Financial Inc. offers a wide range of businesses and services across various segments. The company's PGIM segment provides investment management services to institutional and retail clients, including public fixed income, public equity, real estate debt and equity, private credit, and multi-asset class strategies. In addition to investment management, Prudential Financial also offers insurance products through its group insurance segment, which includes group life, long-term and short-term disability, corporate-owned life insurance, accidental death and dismemberment, and supplemental health solutions. The company's individual life segment develops and distributes variable life, universal life, and term life insurance products. The retirement strategy segment provides retirement investment and income products to public, private, and not-for-profit sectors, as well as individual variable and fixed annuity products. Prudential Financial also offers advisory and administration services through its international businesses segment, which includes life insurance, retirement products, investment products, and certain accident and health products. Furthermore, the company provides plan administration services in connection with its insurance coverages and sells accidental death and dismemberment and other supplemental health solutions. Overall, Prudential Financial's diverse range of businesses and services cater to individual and institutional customers through its proprietary and third-party distribution networks. Unfortunately, I do not have access to the text you provided. However, I can still provide a general essay on what might cause a stock price to remain stagnant over a period of time. The stability of Prudential Financial Inc.'s stock price in the past year may be attributed to several factors. One possible reason is that the company has been able to maintain its financial performance and meet investor expectations, resulting in a stable stock price. This could be due to effective management strategies, a strong brand reputation, or a diversified portfolio of assets. Another factor contributing to the stability of Prudential Financial Inc.'s stock price may be the overall market conditions. If the broader market is experiencing a period of low volatility or steady growth, it may not be surprising that individual stocks like Prudential Financial Inc. are also stable. Additionally, the company's industry and sector performance may also play a role in its stock price stability. It is also possible that Prudential Financial Inc.'s stock price has been influenced by external factors such as regulatory changes or economic trends. For instance, if there have been significant changes in government policies or regulations affecting the financial services industry, it could impact the company's stock price. Similarly, shifts in consumer behavior or market trends may also contribute to the stability of Prudential Financial Inc.'s stock price. In conclusion, the stability of Prudential Financial Inc.'s stock price over the past year can be attributed to a combination of factors including effective management, stable financial performance, and external market conditions. The income statement shows that the company revenue have been declining annually and operating income have not been increasing. This shows that the business is under pressure with rising cost and its management is unable to expand the business. The primary drivers of revenue growth for a given company can be attributed to several key factors. One major contributor is interest rate contracts, including swaps, total return swaps, options, and futures, which have contributed significantly to revenue growth. Additionally, equity contracts such as options, total return swaps, and futures have also played a crucial role in driving revenue upwards. Furthermore, foreign exchange contracts, specifically currency derivatives like futures, options, forwards, and swaps, have been another significant driver of revenue growth. The sale of synthetic guaranteed investment contracts, GICS, to qualified defined contribution pension plans has also contributed to revenue growth. Moreover, participant-initiated withdrawals resulting in remaining participant balances being paid by the company have added to the revenue. On the other hand, certain factors have led to a decline in revenue. A decrease in sales of variable annuity and variable life insurance contracts has been a major contributor to this decline. Additionally, a decrease in net investment income from 2024 to 2025 has also contributed to the revenue decline. Furthermore, a decrease in affiliated interest revenue from 2024 to 2025 has also played a role in the revenue decline. It is worth noting that despite these declines, the company's total revenues have still increased by $32,394 million, 37.6%, from 2023 to 2024. The individual life segment experienced significant revenue growth, with a 12% increase in 2025 compared to 2024. The fluctuations in net income and profit margins over the years are a complex phenomenon. On one hand, net income has shown an increase of 486% from 2023 to 2025, indicating a significant improvement in the company's financial performance. However, this growth is not consistent across all years, as it decreased by $85 million in 2025 due to unfavorable impacts from new pension risk transfer business. A closer look at the profit margins reveals that they have been affected by various factors, such as changes in revenue and expenses, interest rates, and market conditions. The operating margin has shown a slight decline from 4.5% in 2022 to 4.2% in 2021, while the net income margin has decreased from 17% in 2022 to 15.6% in 2021. The performance of different business segments also plays a crucial role in determining the overall net income and profit margins. For instance, the PGIM segment intersegment revenues increased by 8% from 2023 to 2024, while premiums decreased by $25.1 billion. This indicates that the company's financial performance is influenced by various factors, making it challenging to draw conclusions about the changes in net income and profit margins over time. In conclusion, the fluctuations in net income and profit margins are a result of complex interactions between various business segments, market conditions, and interest rates. Further analysis of specific financial statements or detailed explanations from management would be necessary to better understand these trends and make informed decisions. The company's debt level has undergone significant changes over the past 2 years. While total short-term debt increased by $490 million from 2024 to 2025, long-term debt decreased by $331 million during the same period. The increase in short-term debt is a notable trend, as it suggests that the company may be relying more heavily on short-term financing. In terms of interest expenses, there has been a steady increase over the past 2 years. Interest expense rose by $11 million from 2023 to 2024, and another $11 million from 2024 to 2025. This represents a total increase of $22 million in interest expenses over the past 2 years. The weighted average interest rate on commercial paper decreased by 0.89% from 2024 to 2025, which may help mitigate some of the increased interest expenses. However, the daily average commercial paper outstanding increased by $566 million during the same period, which could offset some of these savings. Overall, while there have been changes in debt levels and interest expenses, they have not been dramatic, suggesting that the company's financial situation remains relatively stable. The performance of various segments and regions within the company has shown a mixed picture. On the positive side, Japan and Brazil have emerged as strong performers, driven by competitive pricing and growing demand for protection and retirement solutions, respectively. The international businesses segment has also performed well, with increasing results due to higher net investment spread and underwriting results. The closed block division and institutional retirement strategies business have also seen an increase in adjusted operating income. In Japan, the life planners segment has shown steady growth, while Brazil's life planners segment has experienced a significant increase. The PICA and PLIC segments have also performed well, with increasing results. However, some segments and regions have underperformed. Long-term care, PGIM Wadhwani LLP, Assurance IQ, LLC, Prudential of Argentina, and full-service retirement business have all been discontinued or exited due to poor performance. The Pruco Life segment has also seen a significant decrease in results, while the other, one segment has experienced an increase in losses. The United States as a whole has seen a decline in results, with a decrease from $48.57 billion to $36.8 billion. Japan's results have also decreased slightly, from $13.76 billion to $13.49 billion. The closed block division and funds withheld portfolios have also shown poor performance. The management of Prudential Financial is optimistic about the company's outlook and strategy. The company has a significant amount of cash and cash equivalents, which it manages to approximate fair value through various investments. This suggests that the company is focused on maintaining liquidity while also generating returns on its investments. In terms of debt and capital management, the company has a long-term debt of $18.132 billion as of December 31, 2024. However, it expects to borrow under its $4 billion five-year credit facility to fund working capital needs, indicating that the company is managing its debt levels effectively. The company's pension and post-retirement plans are also a key area of focus. Management anticipates making cash contributions of approximately $165 million to the pension plans and $10 million to the post-retirement plans in 2026. The expected benefit payments for these plans are significant, totaling $9.359 billion for 2026-2035. In terms of dividend payments, management expects to pay dividends based on financial conditions, results of operations, cash needs, future prospects, and other factors. With sufficient funds available due to its highly liquid assets, the company is well positioned to make dividend payments as needed. Overall, the company's strategy appears to be focused on managing its investments and cash equivalents effectively, paying dividends based on financial conditions, and meeting regulatory requirements. This suggests that management is committed to maintaining a strong financial position while also generating returns for shareholders. The acquisitions and divestitures of a company are significant events that can impact its financial performance and market position. On the acquisition side, the company has made several notable purchases in recent years. One of the most significant acquisitions was Assurance IQ, AIQ, on October 10, 2019. The company also acquired a 20% equity interest in Prismic Life Holding Company LP in September 2023, as well as Prismic Reinsurance, Limited, and Prismic Life Reinsurance International, Limited. Additionally, the company acquired a variable annuity business from Allstate and the Hartford Life business. In terms of divestitures, the company has also made several notable sales. The full-service retirement business was sold in Q2 2022, as well as Assurance IQ, LLC, AIQ, which is committed to exit operations in Q1 2024. The Prudential of Argentina, POA, was also sold in Q2 2024. Furthermore, the company has divested and run off businesses, including a closed block division. Overall, these acquisitions and divestitures demonstrate the company's efforts to adapt to changing market conditions and optimize its portfolio. The company has a history of rewarding its shareholders through various means. One way it has done this is by paying dividends. The company has consistently paid out dividends to its investors over the years, with specific details on dividend payments and amounts available in pages 94, 82, 83, 95, 96, 318, 323, 327, 329, 389, and 411. In addition to paying dividends, the company has also taken steps to return value to its shareholders through share buybacks. The company has bought back shares from the market, with specific details on share buyback amounts available in pages 94, 95, 96, and 318. This demonstrates a commitment to maximizing shareholder value and returning profits to investors. That concludes the financial summary for Prudential Financial Inc. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.